Okay, you guys, so first we're going to start with the unboxing of this Unice V-Part wig. The packaging was actually super cute and I love the way that they actually put it inside. So we have the wig and it actually came with a few little extra goodies that I actually kind of fell in love with. So they did supply this HD wig cap, they supplied these press-on nails, and a wig band. So I actually already been using this and I love it. So this is the wig that they sent me. It's actually a kinky curly wig and I'm not a big kinky curly person, but it actually looks super nice and it actually comes with multiple combs attached to it. This is the hair itself. It's giving very much volume. The curl pattern is literally to die for. I'm actually just super excited to put it on, and they even put a little extra gift in here and they supplied me with a robe that says Unice on it. It's so cute and pink. Hey y'all, so it's your girl janeesamaria here, back with another video, and today we actually just going to be doing a little quick install. I already have my braid down right here, don't mind it. It's not the most perfect braid down, but it's gonna do what it needs to do to get the job done. Okay, so Unice actually sent me this wig. It's a kinky curly wig, it's a V-part wig. I've never actually used a V-part wig before, so I'm actually excited to see how this is gonna go. And I'm also trying a new method with y'all today, which is crocheting it instead of having leave out. So this is gonna be a no leave out install. I'll leave the details down below for the wig and everything if you guys want to check it out, because it definitely does seem like good quality. I'm loving the curl pattern. I feel like it's gonna be even better once I jazz it up and everything. But yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start by simply just putting the V-part wig onto my head. I'm happy that it actually came with the band. I feel like this is gonna make my life so much easier, and that way my wig can actually feel secure. So I did mention that the wig came with clips, so I'm just clipping it on to my head, basically just leaving enough space for me to actually crochet it into my actual hair, but not way too much space because I want it to still look realistic. Since I'm not doing a braid method, I'm not gonna crochet through braids, I'm just crocheting onto my actual hair. So I'm just adjusting the clips a little bit more suitable for me. You can adjust it to whatever your liking would be that's most comfortable for you. But as you can see, I didn't leave that much space of my hair out, so that way it looks more natural once I start actually crocheting it. And also, you guys, keep in mind that this is my first time actually crocheting myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab my crochet needle, and I'm actually gonna start by taking a piece of the hair from the wig. Just like a small piece at the top to just start, and I'm just gonna work my way around. So after I take this piece, I'm actually just going to take my crochet needle and I'm just gonna put it through my hair. So if you can kind of see what I'm doing right here, I'm gonna put it through my hair and I'm actually just gonna latch it onto the hair piece, and then I'm just gonna pull it through. Now this might take a couple times for you to get, because it did take me a little bit on my first try. I got kind of lucky, but it still was a little bit like, okay, am I doing this right? But then I finally caught on and it got a lot easier. So if you're new to this, I would definitely recommend it. Just keep trying. It's actually super easy, and once you get it, you got it down. So literally just putting it through my hair again, and on the hook, I'm just gonna hook onto the hair and pull it right through. The hook should automatically close on its own, so you don't have to close the hook on the hair. It should automatically do that unless you have a defective crochet needle. So as I'm doing this, it's starting to come together exactly how I'm picturing it, so I'm getting a little bit excited. So I'm just going all the way around by just continuing to grab the hair from the wig and putting the crochet needle through my hair and just pulling it through until I feel like it looks good enough. Now everybody is different. You can definitely pull out more hair if you want to, but I feel like this was a perfect amount of hair for it to still look natural for me. So whatever feels natural to you, you can definitely do. And I'm just literally doing the same process all the way around until it's actually full. I have seen some other girls do this by actually putting 2 braids in the front and they actually crochet onto the braids, but I did not do that method. I thought that this was an easier way for me, and I thought that it would look more natural because I didn't really want my hair to look crocheted. I more so wanted to look like it was my actual hair. So yeah. And now I'm just doing the other side. This side was a little bit more difficult because I am right-handed, but I'm just literally just doing the same process. I'm putting it through the front and I'm just pulling it through. Okay, yes, I'm just going around this other side now, and I'm trying to also make sure I'm putting the hair pieces as close to each other as possible, so that way it's giving that natural look still. And yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. So this is what it looks like after going all the way around. It's actually kind of giving. Now I'm just ready to actually go in and actually make it look like something. So I'm just going to take some water and some conditioner, and I'm going to spray my hair, and this is just going to add a lot of moisture to my hair and wetness, so that way I'm able to comb through it and actually give the hair its actual texture that it's supposed to be. So yeah, I'm just taking different sections and I'm just spraying it, just trying to get it as wet as possible. I'm pretty sure when it dries, it's gonna dry. So definitely I will not hold back with the moisture, and just make sure that you're just combing through. I'm using a wide tooth comb personally. I feel like it's gonna help with curly hair better, but you're welcome to use a brush or anything of your choosing. And yeah, I'm just gonna go all the way around until my hair is fully saturated. And now I'm going to take some Lotta Body mousse. You can use whatever mousse is to your liking. Preferably, I like Lotta Body, or I like Shea Moisture mousse. And I'm just going to go and I'm just going to apply that onto my hair and just gather it through my hair all the way around until it's fully saturated. And yeah, look at the curl pattern already coming to life. I'm definitely already kind of seeing the vision and what it's going to look like here. And it's actually turning out super cute. The curls are definitely giving. Like, I'm like, okay, this might be something that I can actually do, because I'm normally not a big haired curly type of person, so this is definitely something new for me. But the curls are definitely giving, and I'm here and I'm living for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going around and putting this mousse all in through my hair until it's fully saturated. I want to make sure that this hair has as much product as possible. And now I'm gonna actually go in with this Aunt Jackie's Rescue conditioner. You can use whatever conditioner that you like. Personally, I've been a big Aunt Jackie's fan, and her products I have literally been living for. Like, even for my natural hair, she has been doing it. She's been hydrating my hair, nourishing my hair. So if you definitely are looking for some new shampoos and conditioners, I recommend Aunt Jackie. It is great. So I'm just gonna take this conditioner and I'm just gonna lather it through my hair, basically just building up all that product in my hair, because one thing about curly hair is that it's gonna soak it all up. So I'm literally just putting as much as possible, just trying to get it all in there, so that way we can get hydrated curls, and that way our curls aren't just looking dry and brittle. We want it to look very moisturized and soft, which it is. And I'm cutting my ends a little bit just because I feel like they were a little bit too like rugged at the ends. So I'm actually cutting it, but this is definitely a personal preference. And yeah, this is the finished product. It's definitely giving my hair. I'm actually living for this look, and it turned out a lot way better than I expected. Unice definitely did their thing with this wig. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig. This was my first time crocheting, and honestly, y'all, I think I did a good job for this to be my first time ever crocheting hair at all. It turns out super cute. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp, so a win is a win. Yeah, I think Unice actually did their thing with this wig. This is a Kiky Curly wig. It actually turned out a lot better than I expected, because I was kind of scared of Kiky Curly, but it actually looks pretty good on me, and I think I'm gonna warm up to it a little bit more as I continue to wear it, because I'm still not used to seeing myself with like big curly hair, and I know that it's gonna get bigger than this once it dries. But yeah, the hair feels very soft. I put conditioner in it and water and mousse, and it didn't take that much to actually bring it to life. So I definitely will give it a 10 out of 10 so far. It feels good on my head. It feels snug. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. And yeah, I think I might turn into a little V-Part girly. I might start getting some more V-Part wigs, because this was actually very convenient, and this is definitely like a protective style. So if you're a girl and you love protective styles, then this is definitely something that will be for you, because no leave out. This has literally 0 leave out, and I love that because I don't have to put heat in my hair, try to get my hair to stay a certain texture or none of that. So yeah, I'll leave the details down below. You guys can definitely go check it out. And I also do have a discount code for you guys. I'll leave the discount code right here, and I'll also leave it in the description box below if you guys want to check out this wig and purchase it yourself. 10 out of 10. But I hope you guys like this video. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe on your way out, and don't forget to like and comment. You guys have a great day.